Alright, this is something I've been dealing a lot with lately. Whether I'm planning a dashcam video for Joe's truck, comparing products, or even looking into business decisions, I end up with a ton of information and no clear way to actually use it. You've got sources, you've got data, but no structure.
And honestly, that's the part that slows me down the most. Because the information is there, but it's scattered across tabs, notes, videos, articles, screenshots, and half-finished thoughts. Sometimes I'm not even sure what I'm looking for anymore. I'll find one useful point in a video, another one in an article, maybe a different opinion from a forum or a product page, but then I still have to figure out how all these pieces connect. And that's where most of the real thinking happens. Not in collecting more information, but turning messy inputs into a clear structure I can actually work with.
Now this is what it usually looks like. We see multiple tabs open, different sources saying different things, and notes that don't connect. The problem isn't finding information anymore, it's making sense of it. So I started using Ponder. And this just isn't another AI tool. This is a workspace where AI actually helps you build structured knowledge. It's not a black box. You can see how it thinks, how it connects that information, and how it builds answers. Alright, let's start with something real. I'm planning my Pelsee Dashcam video for Joe's truck. And instead of building this manually, I'm going to upload product specs, notes, and reference materials. Now watch this. Ponder is automatically breaking everything down and building a structured node tree. So now I've got installation, video quality, night driving, parking mode, and app feature. This is the first aha moment. I didn't organize this, the AI did. Now let's take it further. I'm going to run a deep research query. Best real-world performance of dash cams in night driving condition. Now watch this carefully. The agent is actively searching across multiple sources, comparing information, verifying accuracy, and building connection. You can actually see where the information is coming from. So it's not just giving you an answer, it's showing you the reasoning behind the answer. Now I'll organize this information into a table. Now I can compare low light performance, clarity, feature accuracy, and across multiple sources. And this is where it clicks. Instead of guessing what's true, I can see what's consistent. Now it's analyzing everything connected to that node. Now I'll select night driving, parking mode, and app features, and run Ask AI again. Now it's combining all of that into one structured answer. This is the second aha moment. You're not just asking questions, you're building knowledge with it. And this isn't just for video planning. You can compare tools, pricing, and ROI and structure a full decision. You can pull in trends, competitors, and data and see how everything connects. You can upload documents and instantly break them down into usable insights. Now I'll turn everything into a final output. Now I've got a full dashcam video plan, a testing checklist, and a structured script. Before and then after. Same data, completely different result.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. Today, we're stepping away from the 1,000 horsepower builds for a second to talk about something every driver needs. You guys know here at Supercar Street Racing, we value two things: speed and evidence. Whether it's a track day highlight or a crazy street encounter, this dashcam claims to be the king of night performance with that night sensor. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out.
And yeah, this entire short film was created from a script made inside Ponder. But honestly, that's just one part of how I use it. In my daily work, I'm constantly dealing with things like market research, business planning, competitor analysis, and huge amounts of information. Normally, that means opening tons of tabs and manually organizing everything myself. But with Ponder, I can bring all of that into one workspace, quickly extract key insights, and actually see connections between ideas. It saves me so much time, especially when working with long PDFs. It genuinely feels less like a chatbot and more like an intelligent research partner.
If you're working with a lot of information like this, you should check out Ponder. Links in the description, and you get 20 free credits every single day just to try it out. And if you want to go further, you can use my code for 25% off. Worth it. This isn't about more information, it's about understanding it. And if you're rocking with Supercar Street Racing, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.